Now today we'll focus on if two function f of x and gx are function of x, then how can integrate? Okay, if this type of function is given, then how can integrate? So first of all, we have focus on what about formula, and after that how can apply. Okay, according to that one, f of x first into this one we have considered, that one is first and that one is second. Okay, so how can memorize first into integration of second, that is gx into dx, okay, minus integration of that one, differentiation of this one f of x with respect to dx, and that one it is written gx into dx, okay, and after that dx. This is the formula. So how can memorize first into second? First into second, integration of second, minus integration of first into that one written integration of second, written like that one, after that whole integration. Okay, clear or not? Now, so how can apply? So we have taken some examples. X cos x into dx. Then how can do? Simple. If you consider this one is first and this one is second. First, it is integration of second cos x dx minus differentiation of first function into integration of second function, okay, after that dx. Now integration of cos, that is sin x, so that one plus x sin x. Here differentiation of x with respect to x, that is 1, and that one is sin x dx, and that one x sin x, and integration of sin x is minus cos x, and after that c written here. Okay, this is the final answer. Okay, now second question is rise, which one take first function and which one takes second function. Okay, which function take first function and which function takes second function. If you see here, if any polynomials is given like that one, and here trigonometrical form. Trigonometry means cos, sin, tan, cot, okay, cosec x, sec x, okay, given. Then polynomials always take first function. Otherwise, if anyone takes, sir, I have taken this one is second function and that one is first function. What about integration? Look here, cos x is the first function, someone take, and this one is taken second function, dx. If you apply that formula, cos x into integration of x dx minus differentiation of cos, that is minus sin, and integration of x dx, that is x square by 2 dx. So that one is x square by 2 cos x, and that one plus sin x into x square by 2 dx. Means power are increasing. Again we taken this one is second function and that one is first function. Then we go, if that one integrate, then power are increasing, means we got x cube. Okay, clear or not? So that's why we always taken, if polynomial is available or constant is available, then first function is taken. Polynomials take always first function and trigonometry always takes second function. Clear or not? Now take another example. So first of all, make it. question, if sin inverse x given or cos inverse x given or tan inverse x given, then how can solve? Or log x given, maybe sin inverse, cos inverse, inverse of degree or log x, then how can solve? Simply say log x and simply integrate. What about integration of that one? What about integration of that one? Okay, so in this type of function, always if sin inverse x, okay, if sin inverse x is taken first function and in constant 1, sin inverse is also written sin inverse x into 1 and constant, that is 1. This one is the first function and that one second function, and that is dx. Okay, if anyone face problem, then how can solve? So first of all, if you consider that question, sin inverse x is taken first function, clear or not? If any trigonometrical function or cos log of x, okay, some difficult question also, okay, then how can solve? First of all, we have taken this one, take that one is a first function and into 1 is taken second function, then you can integrate. Okay, because you don't know what about the integration of that one. If any one function, if you don't know what about the integration, then that function is the first function and 1 is taken second function, then we got. Okay, so how can do it? Simple. Sin inverse x first into second, first written first sin inverse x, integration of 1 dx, okay, minus differentiation of sin inverse x, that is, what about that value? 1 minus x square, that is 1 minus x square. Basically, if anyone phased out, that is under 1 upon under root 1 minus x square, that value put here. Okay, and integration of dx, that is simply x, so x upon under root 1 minus x dx. So here x sin inverse x. Now how can solve? If you see very carefully, if you have taken 1 minus x square is t, if 1 minus x square is equal to t square, then differentiate both side, then we got minus 2x dx, this is equal to 2t dt. So x dx, this is equal to minus t dt. That value put here, then we got how much? Plus minus minus plus, and that one is how much? T dt divided by simple t. So that one we got sin inverse x plus t plus constant c, and that is sin inverse x plus, what about t? T is basically 1 minus x square, and that one make it. If anyone phased out, then tell me, I will explain again. Okay, make it. Now that one is log x dx. What about integration? You don't know. But what about differentiation of log x? I know that. Log x basically, differentiation of log x, that is 1 by x. That is 1 by x. So how can integrate that one? Simple. This one is written as log x into 1 dx. That one is first and that one is second function. Okay, clear? Integration of 1 dx, that is x. Okay, so how can integrate? First of all, that one written simply f of x means log of x, that is log of x. Integration of 1, simply dx, minus f of x, differentiation of, that one is written log of x by dx into integration of dx and that one dx. After that, integration of 1 dx, that is x, so x log x minus, what about that value, log of and differentiation of log x upon dx, that is 1 by x, so put here 1 by x, integration of dx, that is x dx. Okay, so x cancel, simple dx. So after that, x log x minus integration of 1 dx, that is x, so plus c is the right answer. Make it. If anyone faced doubt corresponding to any step, then tell me, sir, I faced the doubt. Comment it. I will definitely solve. Okay, make it. Always first and that one second. Okay, so first into integration of second cos x dx. Why you have taken? If integrate anyone, then power, if basically here, if polynomials are integrating, then we got power is increasing, but if you differentiate, then power is decreases. How? Suppose that x power 3 dx. What about after integration? That power is increases. But what about differentiation? That is 3x square. That's why our target power is decreased. Then we got the easily answer. Otherwise, if power increase, then power then your answer is not getting easily. Okay. Some special cases it's depend upon also here which type of function. Okay. Otherwise, always take most of the time 99.99%. If cos trigonometry function available, then with polynomials, so polynomials take first function. Otherwise, here also depend upon, if suppose that any function corresponding to power is decreases with corresponding to x, then also depend. Okay, so that time decided by other factor also. Okay, so but here, if any trigonometrical function given like that one, then always polynomials are first function, always. Okay, but if this function is different, then also depend upon which type of function it's also. So how can do? First into second. Okay, minus first into second integration. After that, differentiation of first function x square by dx and integration of that one dx, so dx. Okay, now after that, integration of cos x, that is sin x. Integration of cos x is how much? Sin x. So x square into sin x. Okay, now that one 2x. Integration of cos x, that is how much? Sin x dx. Now after that, x square sin x, now 2 here. Again this one consider first and here second function. First into second, integration of second dx minus differentiation of first, that is differentiation of, you can write now here this one, and integration of second dx, and this one can remove to whole dx. So finally we got x square sin x minus 2 integration of sin x, that is minus cos x. So minus x cos x, and that one is minus dx by dx, that is 1 integration of sin x, that is minus cos x. So minus minus plus cos x and plus c. So final answer is x square sin x plus 2x cos x minus 2 cos x plus c is the right answer. Make it. If anyone faced out, then tell me, I will explain again. Make it. Now, how can do this type of problem? First of all, I know that sin inverse x plus cos inverse x, that's pi by 2. So means you can say that is also pi by 2. So what about sin inverse x? Sin inverse root x, this will be equal to pi by 2 minus cos inverse under root x. Okay, otherwise as for requirement, written pi by 2 minus sin inverse root x. Okay, denominator, if you see very carefully, that was pi by 2. So, and that one sin inverse minus cos inverse something. So cos inverse is written as pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. So that one is minus sin inverse x. Okay, and if put here to, so minus pi by 2 plus sin inverse root x whole divided by pi by 2 into dx. After that 2 by pi written here, and that one is pi by 2 minus pi by 2. Okay, minus pi by 2 and plus 2 sin inverse root x into dx. Now that is 1 dx plus 4 by pi sin inverse root x dx. Okay, clear? Now let here x this equal to sin square theta, then dx is written as 2 sin theta into cos theta into d theta, and that is sin 2 theta d theta. Okay, how can solve that one? This one is written equation number 1. Okay, so our motto, we have solved that one. First of all, we have focused on that one. Okay, so how can do it? First of all, if you see very carefully, sin inverse root x dx, that one written, dx is replaced by sin 2 theta d theta, and under root sin inverse under root x, this one is written sin inverse root sin square theta into sin 2 theta d theta. So we got how much? That one theta. Okay, so theta into sin 2 theta d theta. Okay, how can solve? Theta always take first function and that one second function. So first into second. How can apply here? First into second, in integration of second, theta into sin 2 theta d theta minus integration of differentiation of first function into written like that one. Okay, and this one written like that one. Okay, so sin integration of sin 2 theta minus cos 2 theta. So written here divided by 2 because of integration. So constant is going on denominator. So theta into cos 2 theta divided by minus like that one. Okay, So what about that value? That is also minus cos 2 theta by 2, and that value is 1. So here minus minus plus, 1 by 2 cos 2 theta d theta. After that, what about integration? Minus theta cos 2 theta divided by 2, and cos theta integration again 1 by 4 sin 2 theta plus c. Okay, plus c. Okay, now after that what about cos 2 theta and what about sin 2 theta? Okay, simply that one written minus theta by 2 into cos theta is written in the terms of sin. That is how much? 1 minus 2 sin square theta plus 1 by 4, that is 2 sin theta into cos theta plus c. Okay, after that what about theta? Theta basically, if you see, theta basically sin inverse root x. So minus 1 by 2 sin inverse root x, okay, into 1 minus sin square x, that is x. So 1 minus 2x, okay, plus 1 by 4, not 1 by 2, because 1 2 can say. So 1 by 2 sin theta is how much? Root x, that is root x, and cos theta is basically 1 minus sin square theta. This one is written like that one, and plus c. Okay, clear or not? Now that value put here in equation number 1, then we got final answer. So if this one remove, so final answer is how much? Minus x, okay, plus 4 by pi under root in bracket minus half. Okay, otherwise you can take half is common, then there's these two. Okay, so 2 by pi and minus sin inverse root x, okay, and here 1 minus 2x plus root x into 1 minus root x plus c is the right answer. Make it. If anyone faced doubt, then tell me, I will explain again. Okay, make it.